there's no sickness, toil, or danger in that bright world to which I go. I'm going there to see my father. I'm going there, no more to roam. I'm only going overjoyed. I'm only going over home. No dark clouds will head around me. I know my way is rough and steep. Your beauteous fields lie just before me, where gods redeem their vigils keep. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd